from Phace Installations. Got a Ford Transit Custom in today, and we're going to help the reversing situation. Now when you put this vehicle into reverse, there's no camera, there's no parking sensors until now. We've added 4 sensors to the back of this vehicle to help with reversing, so there's no damage to any bumpers or run into a car, people, anything like that. We're just going to help protect this vehicle. Now if we jump into the front, we'll show you how it works. You've probably seen parking sensors before, but as soon as you engage reverse gear, the sensors will go off. So into reverse, it's beeping like mad, so it's obviously detecting something. So let's walk around to the back. Yep, so it's detecting that bollard there on the right hand side. So obviously if that vehicle was to go back any closer to that bollard, if it was closer to it, you would hit it. As you can see, as we get closer, it beeps faster. Pretty straightforward. Looks very neat, tidy and discreet sensors. And then when you take it out of reverse, they disengage. Very simple. We do front sensors as well, if need be. This one's just having the rears. Hope you like what we do. If you want to book your vehicle in, give us a call. Thanks for watching.